Next, let's learn about Append Fields tool. The Append Fields tool is a tool that allows you to attach 16 or fewer records to another data stream. It might be a bit ambiguous to explain verbally, so let's learn it through an example. I'll drag the tool first, the Append Fields tool, from the Join Toolbar category in the upper toolbar section, and I will drop it and place it right next to the Select tool that carries MSRP data. If you zoom in on the Append Fields tool, you'll see a T node on the left, which means target, and an S node at the bottom, which means source. And we will draw MSRP data from Select tool and connect it to the T node. And then we'll draw a multiplier output from the Select tool that you have previously completed from the assignment and connect it with the S node. After connecting both nodes, I'll hit Run. Let's take a look at the incoming data of the Append Fields tool. First, 147 records of brand, model, and MSRP fields are coming in from the T node, and a single record of the multiplier field, 0.95, is coming in from the S node. And if you click on the output node attached to the right, you can see the 0.95 field is attached next to all 147 records of the target data. And here, let's pause and assume if the source record is not just one single record, but rather has two records. In that case, the Append Fields tool will take both records from the S node and attach them to every record coming into the T node. So as a result, you would have 147 times 2, a total of 294 records. And on the left configuration pane, there's an error message selection option at the bottom of the configuration pane. By default, an error message will be generated when 16 or more source records are attached. But you can change the message option to warning level or the option to ignore and attach all source data depending on your needs. But be aware that if there are too many source data and you select the option to attach all when you have, let's say, like 100,000 of records coming into your target node, T node. And if you just proceed with running the workflow, then you might experience issues of the Alteryx designer stopping while operating. So please be careful. And you can also notice that in the upper field box, you can see a similar field properties as you would see in select box. From here, you can adjust and change the name of the column headers and the data type and size as well. So far, we have looked at the Append Fields tool, which allows you to attach the source data to the target data. And please practice the assignments according to the instruction listed at the bottom of the Append Fields box.